Hold on. They said don't get on the highway after 1. They said don't get on the highway after 1. Hey, I'm down. We gonna show y'all that the hurricane is not all y'all think it is. You know what I'm saying? Oh, what? Yes, everybody tonight.
Yeah, this shit is empty.
This shit, yeah, look at this. Look at this. You got Big Day. We got Big Lou. You know what I'm saying? Ty. This is my truck. I ain't driving the motherfucker though. You feel what I'm saying? Oh, we got DJ in the back. He's stuffed in the back. For all y'all niggas at home scared. Oh my God, Hurricane Sandy. Oh my God, Hurricane Sandy. Grow the fuck up. This some bullshit. State troopers going by. Our shitting brakes. Our shit, we getting the fuck off. I was shitting brakes like no, not again. But yes. Now we on the west.
We on tour.
Yeah, we just gotta go through the city, make sure everybody's straight. Feel me? If y'all need a ride, if y'all stuck, stranded, call 555-5555.
Make us dance. Sandy make us dance.
Sandy make us dance. Sandy make us dance.
Sandy make us dance.
Sandy make us dance.
No.
Sandy make us dance. Sandy make us dance.
Sandy pop that pussy. Sandy pop that pussy.
Yeah.
Niggas in the house. I'm out here with Sandy.
You going through all of her.
Yeah.
There, man. We in there.
We in the hood, yeah, you. Man, we get it poppin'. Me and my niggas in the trap, and the pennies dropping. Some bitches on the bar.
Nobody fuck the nigga. Right around motherfucking hurricane.
Super duty, I don't need on. I'm riding around with the
That shit came through.
I'm in my face, man.
When I enter that, oh man, they out there.
It's a work truck. We riding around looking for some motherfucking things, riding around getting shit.
Oh, 6 rings. 6 chains.
Eating Mike at night, driving around with this ring.
Super duper. I don't give a fuck with Super Cooper. Niggas see me in the hood. Super duper.
Yeah.
We coming to the
Dance, bang. Bands that make her dance.
Sandy will make it dance. Poppin' and other. Bands will make her dance.
We gotta name these videos.
Hey, you got the builders in here?
Yeah, we riding through making sure niggas, you know what I'm saying? Wind blowing. Fucking windows down, Sandy. Hey.
Seaside, man. I'm about to go.
You going to Seaside?
Hey, Seaside? Alright, we gonna hit y'all when we get to Seaside. We sitting in the clips and we gonna hit y'all when we get to Seaside. That shit coming in though.
Stop worrying about that shit, nigga.
Give me chills, nigga.
Time I wake up, I look up in the mirror. The niggas like Louis, you looking like the mirror. I'm like, what the fuck?
Let me see you put your middle fingers
To the right. I made up in my mind. I'm turning things my way.
burning shit
Down tonight.
things my way. My way
To the highway.
Hold up.
Say it one more
To the
time.
world.
To the world, to the world.
Yeah.
To the world, to the world, to the world.
Let me see you put your middle fingers up.
Fingers up. Listen, oh man, here this shit go. Listen,
Motherfucker.
they say they want to be rated at 6 in the morning. It's 3 o'clock now. We riding around in the truck, ringing like ooh.
That boy
Oh
nice.
yeah. To the world, to the
Storm chasing, dream chasers.
Niggas ain't on the edge. Time I get
Look at a storm chaser.
fingers
To
up
the
to
world.
the world.
I made up on my mind.
Doing
Things my way.
burning shit
Down tonight. Sandy, bitch, you better not burn her down tonight.
my way. My way on the highway. Let me see you through the
To the world, to the world, to the world.
Yeah.
Ain't this some shit? Pulled up in the
Ain't this some shit?
my nigga.
Raise up like praise the Lord.
Fucking niggas is... The fuck? Sound like somebody was there.
Hey, yo, listen.
What up, though?
This is what we doing, man.
We out here what? Niggas is dream chasing?
We storm chasing.
Storm chasing?
So Meek Mills to holler at me, though.
Make sure everybody's safe on this block.
Storm chasing.
Psych! Dream chasing. Bring it to you live from out here. My phone getting soaked. Let me put my hand over this shit.
Mike Ike and Sandy.
You know what I'm saying? Look at that. That nigga ain't get out the truck. That nigga, they ain't get out the truck.
Turn down.
I'm saying, Louis, what we trying to do right now? We storm chasing. All right, fuck it. Just showing y'all. Oh, man, this shit ain't even flooded. Yeah, I'm out of here. We came out here, feel me? This shit crazy, the rain. My phone probably ain't gonna work after this. Fuck it. Niggas is running back. Oh my God, see these coming. Yeah, oh, that tree. Oh, niggas is out. Niggas is out. Running back to the truck. All right, we out. Dream chasers, storm chasers. You feel me? Got a little crazy out there. Dream tracing at my mother's house. It's a tree in the road. Yo. We're moving this out my mother's street in the storm. Yeah. Yeah. We moving this tree. Damn, this is gonna be the hardest thing. Feel me? My mother. Alright, yeah. It's blowing. Fuck it. Mother, we love you. Oh! Yeah, we can't get this tree. Look at that nigga in the tree. Look at that nigga struggling. Look at this nigga struggling. Moving a tree from in front of my mother's house. She don't know that her kids is outside being dream tracers. Trying to make you proud, Mom. Trying to make you proud. Look at these guys. Dream chasing. Look at them.
Our job is done.
Our job is done. Mom, you didn't know it's out here, but we moved the tree. Hold up. Shit, dream chasing. Y'all straight?
Okay?
Y'all good?
Y'all
They just trashed over here.
Y'all don't move, my nigga. You bugging.
Nah, he good. Just his face. He good. Damn, yo. They just slid into the fucking pole just now. Alright, hold up. Yo, one of y'all called him and tell him it was an accident?
Come on, yo. We the only ones over here. They gonna say we did that shit.